Okay, physical science folks, these are the slides and the information you need about accuracy and precision. This is a big deal in science. These are two words that get used almost as if they mean the same thing, but they don't. They just don't, right? You'd say, oh man, that basketball player is very accurate, right? Or that marksman, that guy that shoots a bow and arrow, he's very, very precise, right? But they don't mean the same thing, and so we have to figure out what each word means, and then we can start to talk about how they should be used properly, right? Here's a really basic definition for accuracy. If you are getting the right result or measuring the correct result accurately, right? If you're getting some measurement or some result that is desired, that is considered to be accurate. So that means something different in different settings. For example, if someone's shooting free throws in basketball, the desired result is to actually make the shot. So a person's accuracy depends on how many of those free throws they actually make. But if you're weighing yourself on a bathroom scale, accuracy of that scale is determined by how close it is to your actual weight, right? Getting the actual weight of a person on a bathroom scale is the desired result, okay? And if you're looking at a clock to tell time, accuracy will then be, does the clock actually tell you the correct time, or is it off, right? The accuracy of the clock is determined by how close it is to the desired result or the actual time. So that's accuracy. Think of it that way. No reason to complicate it any more than that. Accuracy is getting the desired result or measuring something correctly, okay? Compare that now with precision. Here's a famous quote from Albert Einstein. Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. This comes from the idea that if we do a process exactly the same multiple times, you should get the same result or close to the same result each time, right? So that's how we define precision. Precision is getting the same result repeatedly without much variation at all, okay? So here are a few examples. First one, we mentioned the watch. If you have a watch and it's 5 minutes slow, if it's 10 o'clock, you're going to look at the watch and the watch will read 9:55, okay? The watch is not accurate because it's not giving you the actual time. It's off. But if every time you look at that watch, it always gives you the time 5 minutes slow, then that watch could be precise because it's giving you the same wrong result over and over and over again. If you're familiar with the character of Robin Hood, an arrow hits a bullseye right smack dab in the center, and Robin Hood shoots a second arrow and goes straight through the back of that first arrow, getting exactly the same result as the first time, right? Precision there is not that the bullseye was hit. Precision there is that the two arrows hit exactly the same spot. And that's what we're looking for in precision, right? So pause this for now. If you'll stop this video for a moment, and in the Daily Deal, I've got a link to this video here. This is an explanation of accuracy and precision about a person named William Tell, who you may be familiar with just through pop culture and the story of needing to shoot an apple off the top of his son's head, right? So for real, pause, stop this video, and go watch the other one about William Tell with precision and accuracy. Okay. This video is going to continue, so hopefully you have watched the William Tell video, and now you're willing to come back and continue on with these slides. Here's one of the best explanations that I have ever seen when it comes to looking at all the possibilities with accuracy and precision. We've got 4 targets here. Take a look at the first target on the far left. We're making the assumption that the desired result is to hit the bullseye. Okay, let's just assume that whoever is shooting arrows or firing a BB gun at this target, they're trying to hit the bullseye. So this first target shows multiple shots that have hit the bullseye. They're all clustered around the center. So this demonstrates high accuracy because hitting the bullseye, or the desired result, is achieved. It's high precision because multiple shots, time after time, are all getting very, very close to that desired result of hitting the bullseye. Look at the second target, though. Now the cluster of shots are all together, but they're not in the center. If the person is trying to hit the bullseye, something's going wrong, but at least the same thing is going wrong every time. So this target shows low accuracy because the person is not getting the desired result. They're not hitting the bullseye. But it does show high precision because time after time after time, they're getting almost exactly the same result. It's just not the desired result. The third target here shows high accuracy. Now this one's a little tricky. Go with me here. It's considered to be accurate because each of these shots is not closely clustered around the bullseye, but they're close. One shot does even actually hit the bullseye. So we can tell what the desired result is that they're after, but there's low precision because each of these shots is in a completely different place. One shot hits the bullseye and one is to the lower right. One is straight up above it. One's to the upper left, right, and so on. Each shot is a different result, but they are all close to the desired result. And our final target shows what happens when there's low accuracy and low precision. They never hit the bullseye, okay? All 6 shots miss, and all 6 shots are in different places, which means that this doesn't really demonstrate accuracy by getting the desired result. And it doesn't really show precision because each shot is in a completely different place. There's not a particularly great pattern. One could argue all the shots are to the left, so maybe there's a slight bit of precision there, but not much, okay? So we'll refer back to these targets in the future. The second video I want you to watch, I've got this posted in the Daily Deal, is a group called Dude Perfect. My son is a huge fan. You may have heard of this group before. They've made a multi-million-dollar business out of trick shots. And they put these video compilations together of just crazy trick shots, but they make it look as if every shot goes in. They make it seem as if they're incredibly accurate and incredibly precise. But when you watch this video, what I want you to keep in the back of your mind is, remember that they are only showing you the shots they make. They're not showing you the 10 or 15 or 100 times that they missed before actually getting the shot. So this video is a great demonstration of accuracy, getting the desired result. But it hides the fact that this group is not particularly precise. They don't always get the result that they're showing you in the video. It probably takes many, many tries before they get it right. Go ahead and watch this video, and then you'll be done with these slides.